quickly forms new threads, reforms burred threads, and cleans out plaster obstructions. Each tap size rethreads to next larger size if threads are stripped. Includes 6 to 32, 8 to 32 and 10 to 32 taps. Replacement taps, CAT. No 626 to 32 available. This is your go-to tool when creating new threads. Add machine screws to just about any material from metal to wood. Use it to form new threads, reform burred threads or clean out plaster obstructions. Each tap size rethreads to next larger size if threads are stripped. For more than 160 years, Klein Tools has manufactured premium quality, professional-grade hand tools that deliver the performance, durability and precision needed to get the job done right. Our family of engineers, workers and craftsmen continue to put 6 generations of expertise into every tool we create by using only the highest quality materials, superior workmanship, and keeping manufacturing as close to home as we can. Klein isn't just the name of our company, it's also our family name. And since we're an American company that's family-owned and family-run, you know you can count on us to be here tomorrow. Klein Tools doesn't just make great products, we make great products that stand up to the demands of the professionals who use them every day, since 1857. Top reviews from the United States. Saves replacing a switch due to a cross-threaded hole. Had a switch where one of the holes was cross-threaded, didn't know it until after it was wired up and in the box and I was putting the faceplate on it. Could have swapped the switch out but there was no reason to do so as it was new. This tool paid for itself in 3 minutes. If you're a do-it-yourself kind of person, and wiring your house is in your wheelhouse, you want this tool. You will eventually have a need for it.